Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the motherboard of the Surface Pro 8, highlighting the necessary tools and the steps for a thorough disassembly and maintenance. To start, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, specifically a Torx T5 and T3, a plastic spudger for prying open the device, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect sensitive components from static electricity. First, ensure that your Surface Pro 8 is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the two Torx T5 screws located at the back of the device. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. After you've removed the back cover, you'll see the motherboard and other internal components. Take note of how everything is arranged, this will help during reassembly. You might want to take pictures for reference. It's crucial to keep track of the screws, use a magnetic tray to avoid losing them. Next, we will disconnect the battery. This step is vital to prevent any electrical issues while working on the motherboard. Carefully lift the battery connector using your spudger. If you find yourself in need of assistance or if you don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can handle the repair for you. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated on or around the motherboard. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating. For any sticky residue or grime, a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol can work wonders. As we continue, you might notice several ribbon cables connected to the motherboard. Carefully detach these by lifting the connectors with your spudger. It's essential to be cautious, as these cables are delicate and can be easily damaged. If you feel uncertain about any step, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Once all connections are made, you can proceed to remove the motherboard. There are several screws, usually Torx T3, holding it in place. Carefully unscrew these, and gently lift the motherboard out of the casing. Make sure to support it evenly to avoid bending or breaking any components. If your goal is to replace or upgrade components on the motherboard, now is the time. For instance, replacing the SSD can significantly improve performance. Before doing any replacement, check the specifications and ensure compatibility. After completing any repairs or upgrades, it's time to reassemble your Surface Pro 8. Start by placing the motherboard back into the case, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reattach the ribbon cables and reconnect the battery. Once everything is back in place, replace the back cover and screw it securely. To finish, power on your Surface Pro 8 and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, helping you stay informed about potential costs. Keeping your device in top shape ensures longevity and performance, so don't hesitate to maintain it regularly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.